Hi everybody, this is for CR number 2, question number 4 helper video. Hopefully after doing this you'll be able to handle question number 4. It says Jose stood on a 4-foot high stool, then jumped into a 1-foot deep hole. Okay, so let's draw a picture. I can't stand reading something without having a visual. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to draw myself a stool here. So here's my stool. Okay, it's got some legs. Okay, don't make fun of my stool. It's terrible. I know. Oh gee, maybe it looks like a jellyfish. Okay, but it's a stool. Okay, so here I am. I'm standing on top of the stool. Or Jose is, I should say. I'm not standing on the stool. Oh boy. Oh boy, look at the long legs. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so here we are, right? And we're happy. We're happy, right? We're going to do some jumping here. Now look, it says I'm on this 4-foot high stool. So from here to here, maybe I should change colors. So from here, the bottom of the stool to the top of the stool is 4 feet. Okay, that's 4 feet. Now he jumps off, right? So there he goes. He jumps off. But he's not just jumping onto the ground, which would be here. Okay, he's not jumping onto the ground. He's jumping into a hole. Now let me go ahead and draw that. So here's the hole. Okay, and I'm going to just kind of go like this, like this. There we go. And here we go. Okay, here's the hole he's jumping into. No idea why he wants to jump into this hole, but he's jumping into this hole. And the hole is square. I don't know why a hole is square, but it is. So first he's jumping down 4 feet, right? But then he's got to jump another foot. Okay, so this is 1 foot more that he's jumping down. Now, if I am going up, right, or if I'm an airplane and I'm going up into the sky, I'm adding to my altitude, correct? I'm going higher into the air. So the opposite is true. If I'm going down, that means I'm subtracting or I'm decreasing the height that I was at. So if I'm here on the top of the stool and I jump down 4 feet, that means, I'm starting at 4 feet on the stool, correct? I'm starting at 4 feet. So let's just look at our choices up here. Here I'm starting at 5 feet, so this one cannot be it. Here I'm starting at 4 feet, so that's an awesome thing. So let me circle that one because this one is a contender because I'm starting at 4 feet. This one, letter C, I'm also starting at 4 feet, so that one's a contender. This one I'm starting at 1 foot in the air, and so that's not a contender. So I've already narrowed it down to 2 choices. So now, since I'm starting at 4 feet, I'm now jumping down, and this is where we were talking down here. When I go down, I'm subtracting, right? So when I'm jumping down off the stool, I'm jumping, let me do this in red because I'm jumping down. I'm jumping down 4 feet, okay, off the stool. But that's only to reach the ground. I didn't just jump onto the ground. I jumped down another foot. So I went down 4 feet to get to the original level of the ground, and then I jumped down another foot into the hole, okay? So if I went down 4 and then I went down 1 more, I went down a total of 5 feet. So I'm going to start at 4 feet. I'm going to jump down another 5. Oh, that's an ugly looking 5. 5 feet. Okay. So which one of these shows that? This one says I'm going down only 1 foot. This one shows that I'm going down 5 feet. And that does equal -1. And let me explain that for a minute. I like to consider my positives good guys. Okay. So in this situation, I have 4 good guys. My negative numbers, I like to consider my bad guys. I'm going to just highlight this in a different color. So these are my good guys. These are my bad guys. Well, right now, I'm going to ask you, do I have more bad guys or do I have more good guys? Hopefully you know I have more bad guys because I got 5 bad guys and 4 good guys. So I have more bad guys. How many more bad guys do I have? 1. So I have more bad guys, that's where that comes from, and I have one more bad guy, that's where that comes from. So yes, is my answer -1? It is. So that one works. B is your answer. Good luck on question 4.